Please stand for your pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Bella, and let's get into the Hawkview announcements. This week is Senior Spirit Week. Today there is a Luau Limbo challenge at lunch. Tomorrow is the Last Splash Senior Rally. Students are encouraged to wear floaties, bucket hats, and anything related to the theme of Last Splash. See Dr. Velazquez in the ASB office for more information. Join us for Prom, Midnight in the Mediterranean, May 3rd at 7 p.m. at the Renaissance Esmeralda in Indian Wells. Tickets are on sale now, $90 to $95 through April 25th and $90 to $100 April 28th. May 2nd, buy your ticket in the ASB office before school, at lunch, and after school. See you there. And now, it's time for sports.
What's up, Blackhawks? I'm Jesus, and let's get into today's sports. Athletic physicals will be held on Thursday, May 29th, 4 p.m. for $25 in the main gym. Don't miss out on this chance to get it done. Thursday is a big day for La Quinta Athletics. The track and swimming teams are hosting the Desert Empire League Finals at home on May 1st after school. Golf will also play in the Desert Empire League Finals on Thursday. On Friday, May 2nd, the baseball and softball teams are on the road against Xavier. Come out and support your Blackhawks.